Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining in. Hey, Rohit. How are you, man? Hi, guys. Thanks for joining in, everyone. Hope you all are safe and sound. Good evening. Good evening, Soyash. Hello, 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 everyone. Hi, Anish. Hi, Shilpa. Hi, Aryan. So, going live with Vedant, the brat boy from The Family Man. Thanks, Rohit. Thank you so much. Rains are good in Mumbai. Yes, thank you. Rains are good. How are you all doing? How's your Sunday going? Anyone watching the finals of the French Open today with Tsitsipas and Djokovic? Waiting for the trumpet boy. Yes, the trumpet boy. So, does anyone know what's the character name of Vedant from Family Man? If you guys have seen, come on, let's see who gets it first. Hello, Jagat Kaka. How are you? Kemcho. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining in. Exactly, insomniac. Okay, I'm sure you love coffee, Mr. Insomniac. Atharva is the right answer. Yes. Okay, all of you, Anish, Shilpa, Aryan, Insomniac, they all got it right. Some really funny comments coming in, guys. Keep them coming. It's good. Atharva should be with us soon now. And I'm just going to send him a request. Vedant Sinha has joined in, people, and it's going to be a fun evening with.
Hello,
Hey,
how are you,
hello,
sir?
Vedant.
It's great to see you. I'm a big fan of you.
Thank you so much. We are a fan of you, Vedant, or should I say Atharva
Thank
now?
you,
Because
sir.
people want to remember you as Atharva now. Just change your passport name.
ठीक है. I'll change my passport to a sure.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you clearly. Can you hear me? One, two, three, mic
Yeah,
testing.
yeah,
Hello.
I can hear you now. Yeah, I can hear
Yeah,
you now. Much better.
yeah. How are
Well,
you?
congratulations, mighty congratulations, Vedant.
Uh, Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, let's hit the nail on the head. Okay, when someone sees your Instagram page, you come across
Yes,
as
sir.
this MJ kind of a dancer. Of course, not singer, but I've heard that you sing too. Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
and then suddenly you get into acting, and people do what is Vedant a dancer or an actor? So can you clear this myth? Who are you, man? Who are
Yes,
you?
yes, yes. So, yeah. This the myth is confirmed. I'll say right now because I'm a dancer as well. I started my journey at first as a dancer. When I was two, I started dancing, and now it's been 10 years. And I'm training still. And yeah, I have
Wow.
amazing mentors which I take training from. Hashtag for dance, especially Manas sir, and many amazing mentors from there. And yeah, I'm trained in ballet, I'm trained in jazz, I'm trained in contemporary, and I'm still taking training because nobody's perfect, and I'm still training to get better in that.
Wow, man. Jazz, ballet, this is mind blowing. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about that later. But what was the bug? What bug bit you? The acting bug. When
Yeah.
when did that bit you?
sir, there was no bug. There was a man who came in my mind, and that was Hrithik Roshan, sir. If you know, he's a very famous actor, and he's superb dancer. He's my idol, personally. And I came across Hrithik Roshan when I was 3 years old. I was like, "कि mama मुझे भी ऐसे so your network is off, yeah." So I was like, कि "मम्मा मुझे भी इन्हीं की तरह बनना है." And I got across acting. I think when I was 7 or 8 years old. First, I took my dance
Right.
training, and then I went to acting. And my first project was Rajma Chawal. It was on Netflix. Yeah, it streamed on Netflix, and it was with Rishi Kapoor sir and many amazing actors like Anirudh sir. I can't remember the name of the actors, but I do remember the name of the director. She was Leena Yadav, ma'am. She's a very famous actor. Sorry, she's a very famous director. And
Yeah.
yeah, so my first project was on OTT platform in Netflix. Yeah, and I've done one more project for that now for Netflix. Yeah.
Have you met Ritik? Have you met your idol?
No, sir, it's my dream is not come true.
Okay, I'll make sure your dream comes true soon.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about Family Man. How many rounds of auditions you passed? What what took you to the sets? How was it your first day on the set? I really want to know everything. And
Yes.
let's even tell these viewers who have joined in that you were not even a teenager. Well, now you are. You are 13. Uh, but you
Yes,
were a
yes.
kid. You were what? About 10-year old, 9 year old, 10-year old. How old were you?
Yeah, 9 year old can see, it was 3 years ago. It was in 2018, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was
So
10 years old.
tell me your first day on the set, and of course, going back, we'll rewind as to how your auditions went and how you got the role.
Okay, let's rewind. Shoot. So first thing I did was, I got this call from Vaibhav sir, Vaibhav Vishant. At that time, he was the senior casting
Yeah.
assistant for Mukesh
Right.
Chabra sir.
Right.
And I got this role, and I'm very grateful because I was in Mumbai, and I got this call from him, and I was like, hey, I just want you to audition for this role, and I went in, and yeah, there was no such round. It was only one round. You have seen the scene of Family Man season 1 when I say, "Abe o makhan chor." That scene I had to audition in that. And I never did that kind of audition, in cameras and something in Mumbai. And the video, my audition video was sent to Raj sir. My
Yeah.
audition video was sent to Raj sir, and they were like Raj and DK sir. They were like, let's watch like some more auditions as well. And they watched 15 auditions, and they went back to me, and they were like, let's pick this kid only. So I got the role by that.
Wow, man. Wow. And did you have any inclination? Did your father Amit tell you, hey, listen, man, you are being cast opposite Manoj Bajpayee, okay? So you better watch out. Like, do you know who he is? Is your father a
Arey,
big fan of Manoj?
yes, he's a big fan. My father is from Bihar, and Manoj sir is also too. So, he's his favorite actor. Now also, he's one of his favorite actors. And I watched his work as well, many things in Baghi too, or in many films which I could watch. And he was amazing. He's a tremendous actor. Everybody knows that. And I was like, oh my God, Manoj sir is there, in the first day of my
Yeah.
set.
Did
And
you do your
I
homework?
was,
Did you do your
yes,
homework? Did you
yes.
see any of Manoj Bajpayee's movies before going on the set?
Yes, yes, I did. I watched his one film. I think it was what? I forgot his name. I'll tell you later. But I watched his
Okay,
one film,
sure.
और फिर मैंने कहा कि ये कुछ नहीं है, मैं स्क्रिप्ट 5 से 6 बार मैं उसको लर्न कर लूंगा स्क्रिप्ट को. And I learned the script I think 10 times because I didn't want to fumble against in front of Manoj sir. और मनोज सर आते हैं, वो ऐसी एक्टिंग करते हैं. मेरा पहला टेक वो थोड़ा सा अजीब था, मेरा पहला टेक वो क्लियर हो गया. और I was like, ये क्या हो गया? So I spoke my lines very well, and he improvised actually his line. Oh, and when he
Wow.
improvises, he makes his line too good. He's too good in that. or and he is a great human being. You know, he's a very secure actor to work with. You know, मैं दीदी और मेरा there was one reaction. You know, he said कि मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ, अच्छा लग रहा हूँ ना, हेयर स्टाइल कैसा है मेरा, है ना? They were asking me, hello, I was सोचा कि भाई, you know, Anuj sir, we are the ones who have to look perfect in front of you. Like हम लोग ने माइंड में सोचा, हम लोग ने ऐसा बोला नहीं, वरना वो बोलते तो फिर वो हंस जाते फिर. तो हम लोग का बहुत सारे
Nice,
सीन्स है जो हम लोगों ने बहुत मस्ती की. You know, Manoj sir is
nice.
one of the funniest actors to work with, and he's the guy who always, you know, interacts with any kind of people, whether it be you know, actor or and anyone who works in the crew.
So now that you're talking about Manoj, uh, what's the best piece of advice you've received from him?
The best piece of advice. So he didn't give me any kind of advice, but I got it from him. You know, I grasped it from him, and it was like, you know, think something imaginary, think something natural you are doing with. So he always thinks something. Oh, इतना natural इसलिए लगता है because he has done something in his natural life, you know, like कि कैसे होता है कि there's a normal father who picks his kids and, you know, gets them at home, do some family kind of works and things. He always thinks that, and when you see in the Family Man season 1 or season 2, it always looks like that, you know, he's a middle class father. So that's he
Yeah.
says that, you know, you have to think something in your mindset, which creates an image of that, you know, imaginary image of that, and you can deliver it as it's like a piece of cake for you.
Okay, there are so many fans of you joining. Can you believe it? At the age of 13,
अरे
with वेदांत पहला ऑटोग्राफ किसको दिया?
सर, मैंने किसी को ऑटोग्राफ नहीं दिया.
अभी
मैंने कुछ नहीं लिखा नहीं है ना सच.
अभी
मेरे को देना भी
आएंगे
नहीं है
आएंगे.
ऐसे, तो अभी
अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा
पता
नहीं
नहीं.
होना चाहिए. You should. If somebody asks you for a signature, Vedant, never say no, man. You know, people
नहीं,
look up to you, dude.
I will, but इस एज में I don't think that I'm old enough to give autographs because I have nothing. Uh, I've done very less in this industry. You know,
So
it's just been 3 years. Yeah.
here's something which is of a learning for you.
Yes.
When
Yeah.
people ask
So
for your autograph, they ask for a very important reason. They ask because they really appreciate your art and craft. और
yeah, yeah,
वो ऑटोग्राफ कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है वो मैं आपको बता दूं. मेरा पहला ऑटोग्राफ था, एक नामी कलाकार है जिनका नाम था
हाँ.
फिरोज खान. ठीक है.
Firoz Khan.
Firoz Khan
Okay.
was a yesteryear actor. All right.
Okay. Okay,
He's no
sir.
more, but he was a brilliant actor. All
Oh.
right.
Okay.
I saw him at a club and I
Okay.
told my father, he was a member of the club. I told him that I want to go there, okay, crash whatever he's doing in a private ceremony, but I want his autograph.
Okay.
I took his autograph on my hand because I didn't have paper or pen with me. It was just, walking by and you seeing an actor.
Hallelujah.
Like it was very,
Uh,
it was like walking and I saw the actor and I told my dad, can you please, you know,
it's
help
yeah,
me?
yeah. It's
And
never,
he
there's
gave,
no time. So
he,
yeah.
he gave the autograph on my
Yeah.
hand. The
Yes,
next
sir.
day I didn't take a bath, you know, it, because, साबुन लगेगा तो हट जाएगा ऑटोग्राफ. एंड उस टाइम
हाँ,
पे
हाँ, हाँ.
स्मार्टफोन्स थे नहीं, वरना मैं पिक्चर ले लेता.
Oh.
So I'm saying it
So it was
depends on
long time
how.
ago, right?
Oh yeah, this was in 1980s.
Oh, I'm
This
so
was
great.
way back, man, way back.
Oh.
But let's talk about you now. So don't ever say no when someone asks for an autograph. Very, very
I would
important.
never, but yeah, but I feel ashamed that अभी क्या मतलब, I'm too young enough to give autograph.
Okay,
I'm
I'll
just
ask you.
13 years old.
I'll take your autograph when I meet you. Don't worry.
अरे नहीं 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 नहीं.
Uh,
So that's something.
Next.
No, no. I'll like. No, no. I'm never giving an
Okay.
autograph.
Okay. Tell me. The difference, the first day of the set on Family Man Part 1 and the first day on the sets of Family Man 2. How different was Vedant Sinha?
Sir, at that time for example, I've told you what was my first day in the Family Man season
Yeah.
one was like. And season two was completely different. It was like I'm meeting my family, I think, after years ago, you know. I greeted them very nicely. I chatted them like for what, 2 hours? Yeah, 2 or 3 hours because our shoot was a little bit late because it was the first day of shoot. I met Manoj sir, I met Sharip sir, I met many other actors. There was a whole new kind of crew in there. New ADs, new cameramen, new DOPs. And when I met Raj sir and DK sir, I sat near them for almost 3 to 4 hours. जब भी shoot खत्म होता था, I was like there, near to Manoj sir, near to
Right.
as it was like they are my uh, uh, they are my family members, and my Didi. I had a really good time with her. She is like my sister, and yeah, that was my first day of season two.
So your new name is Makhan Chor, I heard.
I actually have three names now: Athar, Makhanchor, Bansuri Vadak, and Vedant Sinha. Sorry, Ved, yeah. Five
Ved is
names.
your pet name. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Ved is my pet name.
Acha, look at the irony, huh? Vedant, look at the irony. You are a dancer, and
Yeah.
I don't know if you play because you're so much into music and dance, right? Uh, do you really play any good instrument? As in, are you good at playing an instrument?
No, sir. Sir, I'm really horrible. I'm more horrible than Athar. ठीक है, sir. So what happened? What happened in the yes, sir. So what happened in the scenes when I was playing that flute, saxophone, and many things, sir? What happened was I was trying to play it so hard. My stomach was hurting at that time. My lungs was like it's empty. All the oxygen has went through there. और बस हवा निकल रहा था. There was no sound. मैं बजाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ नहीं निकल रहा है. And when you hear the horrible sounds of Athar, that sound
Right.
effects. Varna I'm the worst Athar you can possibly imagine with musical instruments.
Were there moments when you couldn't control your laughter? Because those scenes were so funny, Vedant.
Sir, there's only one guy who makes me laugh and that's Manoj sir. ऐसा एक भी सीन नहीं गया जहाँ पे मैं हंसा नहीं उनके उनके बात में ठीक है. He used to improvise और उसके बाद वो कुछ हंसते थे और कुछ अजीब सा है वो that scene दोस्त वक्त पीछे से हवा निकल जाएगी.
Yeah, the car
You
scene. Yeah.
know, yeah, that was also improvised, and it took me almost two takes. Two takes. One I was like laughing so hard. मैं पूरा हंस के गया अंदर गाड़ी में फिर मुझे हंसी नहीं आई. My stomach was already hurting. I was like, no, अब नहीं.
What an experience you're going to cherish for your entire life, man.
Yes.
Huh? Okay, Tanmay is asking Vedant's favorite web series apart from Family Man.
What's his full name?
Well, all these are digital names. It's Tanmay Shirur.
Oh, अच्छा ठीक है. So my favorite digital web series. See, I don't
Apart
have
from
any
Family Man.
kind. Yeah. So I don't have any kind of. I don't watch web series. I watch only films. Yeah. So
Okay, so let's talk about your
no.
favorite movies. Give me your top three
So
favorite
yeah.
movies.
Okay. Let's bring it. So first one is Avengers Endgame. The second highest grossing film of the world.
All time.
It was
Yeah.
my favorite film because I'm an all-time Marvel fan. I have every Marvel figures, every Marvel comics, every Marvel theories, etc.
Wow.
etc. बहुत सारी चीजें मेरे पास और दूसरा I think Real Steel if you have heard of that Hugh Jackman that robot boxing
Yeah, I've seen
film
that movie.
yeah and third I would say third I would say it's The Lion King because you're not the 2091, the old 1990s one, Lion King one because
Oh, yeah. The
it
animation. The
yeah
animation. Yeah.
yeah the African thing, the nature, the beauty. Yeah, 2019 was also good, but I liked the 1991 better. It's like a musical thing. I've done a performance on Lion King. I think like, I have a set of ballet. So on
Wow.
which we do intense kind of workout, and I feel no pain. I feel no pain when this song called Hakuna Matata and the
Yeah.
Circle of Life plays. I'm smiling all the way, and the pain just decreases to 50% from 100% of ballet. Because ballet is very painful.
Wow, man. I'm gonna recommend. So, have you seen La La Land?
I have heard of La La Land. I have done a piece on La La Land. This Another Day of Sun. But I have not watched it.
What are you saying? You've done a piece on that?
Yeah, I've done a piece on that. It was in
Wow.
2017 when I did a piece on that. I still have the video, I think.
Oh, dude, you gotta send
Yeah.
it to me, man. I'm a huge fan. My
Uh,
kid, my 11-year-old son,
yeah.
Aryan, he's seen
Yeah.
La La Land some, God knows, some dozen times, man, already.
Oh,
He loves
yeah.
music. Yeah, he loves music too, man.
That's so good. That's so
Okay,
good.
now that we're talking about music and family, man, you know what? Let's combine the two. All right. I want you to perform if you have some space from where you are sitting. I don't know, or you can
Ready,
change
sir?
that.
I'm a dancer and I have a full kind of space. I have
Okay,
moved
cool.
my furniture away.
Okay. So here's what we do. Okay. Can you
Yes,
play
sir.
the title track of Family Man and perform on that?
Right now.
Yeah. Let's give a surprise to all these
Okay.
150 people who have joined
Okay,
in.
okay, sure. Sure. No problems. It's okay. Yeah, let's bring it. So I'm just gonna set up 1 second. Yeah.
So we can go to.
So
Wait, hold on. Yeah. Okay. Go for it. Go for it.
that's that's my space I can perform in. Is that okay?
Wow. Wow. Yeah, dude. As long as we can see
It's
you
Indian
move
world.
as long as we can see you move your limbs. Yeah,
Good.
perfect. Yeah,
Yeah, one
perfect,
second. Let me
buddy.
just remove my earbuds. It will fall down in my father's school.
Okay, but are you
One
gonna
second.
play the song?
Yes, I'm gonna. Yes. Oh,
Okay, let's go for it. Guys, this is first ever time. This is exclusive. Vedant doing it for us.
can you hear it?
Yes, but make it a bit loud.
There you go. Here. Play.
Play for a bit.
Better?
Oh, I can hear you.
One
I mean, I
second.
can
One
hear
second. Let me just.
is it a full volume?
Now better?
Oh, much better. Yeah.
Much better.
Okay, from the top.
So I'm just gonna play it from the top where, okay, I have done a
Yeah, go for it.
performance on that. So yeah, let's break it.
Yeah.
Hey. I cut it so up. I put kiss to the hot air force food. That
Wow. Amazing, bro.
On
Killed it.
spot, I do a lot of scenes. I
Killed
forgot
it. You just killed it. Okay, you can sit now. This was totally improv, bro. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that was totally proud. I was not warmed up.
Guys, follow Vedant on his Instagram and check out all his videos. The man's a mover and a shaker, man.
1 second.
You wanna put your headphones?
Yes, I'm putting it 1 second. Yeah.
Wow. Super, bro. तू ज्वालामुखी है, bro. तू ज्वालामुखी है.
It's
Wow.
all thanks to my
How does
mentor.
Yeah. You should be thankful to all your gurujis who've been teaching you. Never forget them. And tell me, when I asked you your favorite movies, I thought that you would actually name some, movies that has predominantly dance in it. Have you
You know,
seen
there
those
are
kinds of
favorite
movies
movies
too?
and all-time favorite movies. You know,
Okay.
so you told me favorite movies of now, and I told you by
Okay.
now, but all-time favorite. There's only one movie of dance which I feel, the best, and that's Center Stage.
Which one?
Yeah, I've heard about.
Wow. Yeah.
So yeah, there's a group of people. They do jazz, and they do some electrifying kind of things, and they go into the scene and kill it. So yeah, that's what I see before my every performance. I hear some music of that, and I just groove in it. I just warm up. I do some stretching, and then I go and yeah, do my work.
Super, Vedant. Okay, I'm gonna put in some more questions. People are asking. Babar is asking Prithvi, your favorite sport?
My favorite sport. See, my favorite sport, I would say, I'd say pro wrestling,
Pro
like
wrestling. So,
WWE.
do you like
Yeah,
WWE?
World Wrestling Entertainment.
WWE, yeah. Okay, so
Yeah.
who's your favorite wrestler?
Right
Undertaker?
now or all time? Right now, all time. I'll tell you both, okay?
Oh yeah. Tell me both because my son watches
So,
WWE every day, like every day.
so if your son watches WWE every day, I'll tell you one wrestler, and he will be falling in love with that. His name is Roman Reigns. He's the Universal Champion of WWE. People call him the Tribal
Okay,
Chief because he's an African American, but he's
okay,
a white African American, and he is the head of the table. Means he's the boss.
wow. Okay, and the yesteryear, like the classics,
The
Macho Man.
classic. No, 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 no. I have a better than that. And you might be
Okay,
guessing
ask.
Hulk Hogan,
So
but
no, so when I was your age, I used to watch WWF. It was never termed WWE,
yeah, it was
and
World Wrestling Federation, but they
so
lost
it
a case
was
against World
like I
Wildlife
had
Fund,
a
and then
correct.
yeah.
So I had a massive poster in my bedroom of the British Bulldog. Okay, I loved the British
Oh
Bulldog.
yeah, I love him. I love him.
Um,
So
yeah,
the one thing I loved about him is his agility, his strength. The one
yeah,
iconic moment when he lifted Vader. He was 400, 500
yeah,
pounds, and he did a vertical suplex on his kidneys, on his waist, and that was so good. That masked guy was screaming and he was crying at that time.
yeah,
At that time, World Wrestling Federation was kind of non-scripted, and they predicted who will
yeah,
win, but yeah, it was mostly pro wrestling. It was not storytelling.
yeah. And my second all-time favorite was I don't know. I just liked him because he wasn't muscular enough, but there was something about him which was really attractive. His name
Sure,
was
sure.
Shawn
Shawn
Michaels.
Michaels, yeah, the Heartbreak Kid. There's nobody in the World Wrestling
Heartbreak
Entertainment
Kid.
does
Yeah,
not know Shawn Michaels. His sweet chin music on the face, that was so
yeah,
pretty.
yeah.
And if you know this guy,
Okay,
everybody knows this
moving.
guy, Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Woohoo. Oh my
Stone
God,
Cold
yeah,
Steve
yeah, yeah.
Austin.
I wasn't a fan.
He's my
I wasn't a
all-time
fan of
favorite.
Stone Cold, but I don't know. I liked some weird. I even liked the Bushwhackers. Have you seen the Bushwhackers?
Bushwhackers, yeah. Bushwhackers were
You know,
the
the two
best tag
brothers.
teams of their decade, of,
Yeah,
of
yeah.
their of their time.
The
And the
funny.
ultimate was
I like those kind of guys.
yeah.
Okay, I think people will get bored and move out because we are talking wrestling, and
Sorry,
people
sorry,
have
sorry,
joined
sorry.
in for Family Man. Okay,
Sorry, sorry.
uh, Vedant, your favorite dialogue from the Family Man? Two.
I would say Dunya, you have heard the scene, where Dhriti and Manoj sir says me, that दुनिया का सबसे powerful weapon क्या है? That's दिमाग. And he says that, where is Dhriti? And like दुनिया की सबसे powerful चीज आप यूज करोगे ना तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि धृति कहाँ है. And I say that, and that's so funny because it refers to his brain. And he looked at me, and I was looking at
Yeah,
TV.
yeah,
When he looked at me, and when he looked back, I was looking at him, and that was a glare of
2 to 5
Yeah.
seconds, and that was so funny.
Okay, my kid has a message for you. He's typing from Pandey Shilpa. He said, "Hi Vedant, watch the Rock fans John Cena
Yeah.
match."
At WrestleMania 28, I have watched it, guys.
You have?
Watched it, boys. You know that Rock is the most electrifying man.
Okay. He'll be happy
But
to
let's
know
not
that.
move on that because everybody will get bored.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to take a few more questions. Hi Vedant, love from Bangalore. When is Family Man 3 coming? अरे पहले shooting तो होने दो.
That's what I was
What
gonna
is your
say.
age, Vedant? I've just told everyone he's 13.
As I've said in the season 2,
आप
I'm
season
not
1
a
में
kid
काफी
anymore.
cute थे.
I'm not a kid
People are
anymore.
calling you
So you
cute and okay. So अभी तो मतलब तो आप teenager बन गए हो तो okay. What is this? Samantha मर्द है तो हाथ खोल मनोज सर मुझे मर्द बनने का शौक नहीं है. Okay, that's one of the dialogues. Yeah. Okay. All right.
who's?
What is that? Okay, the most important question, Vedant.
Yes.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Can you hypnotize me right now?
No, I can't. Don't get confused. I'm just a man who does not like to hypnotize people. So stop asking that. I'm sorry.
अरे no dude, this is great. That was hilarious. Like तू एक चीज पकड़ता है ना पूरे शो में उसको खींचता है तू. मतलब वहां तक कि मनोज ये भी बोलता है यार ये मैंने इसको हमको मतलब हमने इसको पैदा नहीं किया था. Remember that scene? ये हमारी औलाद नहीं है. ये हमने इसको पैदा नहीं किया. I don't know.
Yeah, so that was an amazing script, you know. That was a line written by written by Supan sir, Suman sir,
Yeah.
Raj Digil sir. So you have to say big thanks to them because you know hypnotizing wala scene, the whole scene was driven in the whole series, and that
Yeah.
was so good. And the best scene was hypnotizing the dog.
That was probably one of the best scenes in the entire show. Where you
Yeah.
do it and there's no one to believe you and no one there to watch you. You know, like holy shit, what happened?
Or last
What really
you know,
happened
in the final episodes, you know, I say ki magic trick try karu, and I was like, maaf kar de beta abhi nahi.
सही है. You have a sibling, Vedant?
Yes, you know, we are two authors. The real life author is my brother. He blackmailed me and I you know, we have a team called the blackmailers, I would say. Blackmailers. You know, मैं अपने
Nice.
पापा को कहीं का blackmail करता हूँ, मैं मम्मा को करता हूँ. But there's only one guy I cannot blackmail, but he blackmails me, and that's my brother. पूरे दिन यही करता है, and I get very pissed off. But मैं कभी कभार
Very nice, dude.
उसके साथ I join him, and you know I blackmail my mother father, and sometimes I get a very great gift, and that's a hitting, and that's a slap. उसको नहीं मिलता, वो तो सीधा भाग जाता है. He's इतना सा, he has very energy, he's a natural sugar level high. कहीं भाग जाएगा, but you know he's just what 6 or 7 years old. He's still a kid. Yeah, I love him when he does that.
Okay, Sudeshna is writing, hey Vedant, we danced together in 3rd grade in school. You probably won't remember. I'm so proud of you achieving so much.
So yeah, I do remember my friends from 3rd grade. I think yeah, it was an annual function. You know, I was in Delhi and now I live in Pune.
Wow, dude. You are very, very smart, intelligent human being, bro. I am already impressed, Vedant Sinha, super impressed. And you've made your Bihar even more proud. That's your hometown.
But there's one more guy who played, like, you know, who made Bihar proud. You know, that's one more. I would say, but yeah, you know.
Tell me a trait, tell me a quality of Raj and DK that you want to adapt in yourself.
Stay calm. I'm very restless because you know I'm jumping all the time. After dance practice, I'm jumping. You know, it takes me almost 1 hour of sleep. You know, at that time because you know I can't sleep because there's so many things going on my mind. You know, ये करना है, वो करना है. And Raj sir and DK sir, you know, they finish one thing. They go there. They have the perfection to do, like, you know, they have the mindset to do it, and they
Right.
perfect it, and they move on to scene. So, you know, you have to do things in a structured way. I so do it, but they are very calm and composed, and they are very sweet. Yeah.
Nishita Mohapatra says, "Hi, I'm Nishita, your classmate. I congratulate you on your achievements."
Yeah, I know her. She's my classmate. Hi,
Very good.
Nishita.
Very good. Okay, everyone's. Now the important question that people are now asking is, soon the girlfriend will start hitting on you. तब कौन बचाएगा?
तब तो बस
जब आप इतना धृति को इतना आप बोल रहे थे बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ है, बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ है, बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ है, तो आपका भी
अब
दिन
बदला
आएगा
आएगा।
मिस्टर
नाउ
वेदांत
रिवेंज।
सिन्हा। जब आपके भाई बोलेंगे गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ है, गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ है।
अब धीरे बोलेगी ना कि ये अपने गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ है, गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ है, बट आई एम स्टिल
ओके,
वेटिंग कि एंड इट्स वेरी गुड कि अगर कोई मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ना हो, वरना फिर उल्टा पड़ जाएगा, इट विल जस्ट बैकफायर।
too young right now. Concentrate on your dreams, on your
Yeah,
passion.
yeah, yeah.
And okay, which is your favorite song, Vedant?
My favorite song. One of my favorite song is Something Just Like This by Coldplay.
Okay, well, now that I had already informed the followers that you sing too, after this surprise dance moves, let's try and test your vocal cords.
See, my vocal cords is just like my musical instrument thingy.
Okay, then
My
as long
vocal
as
cords
as long
is
as it
good.
doesn't sound like a trumpet.
नहीं 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 नहीं, उससे 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 10% बेटर तो होगा ही. I guarantee you that.
Okay, let's hit it, bro.
1 second, let me just get my music up. Something just like this.
Guys, Vedant is going to sing a Coldplay song.
Coldplay.
Oh,
वर्थ में खेलेंगे हम लोग आज.
okay.
Yes. There's some guy saying, Devansh, you sound like Farhan Akhtar. Sir,
I don't
do
know.
you?
I've heard this a zillion times. I don't know, man. So when
Okay, okay.
Farhan and I meet, we totally sound, I don't know, different.
There was a teacher of mine, my judo taekwondo teacher. He just used to sound like Farhan Akhtar.
Wow.
Yeah. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. How do I begin?
Let me just connect this to my speaker.
All right, all right. Okay, before you start, Vedant,
Yes, sir.
Veer is asking, how do you manage between your school acting and your, other activities?
See, this is something which I love to do it, I've got this inspiration from Dwayne The Rock Johnson. He manages his time so perfectly, and that thing has been just, inserted in my mind. Like it has a USB thing. But I would say that, I make my routine of every day, almost every day, because,
Okay.
every day is not the same. I have my shoot,
Right.
I have something different, I have my classes. So I manage things, I almost take 3 to 4 hours, just, give my time in studies, and rest of the time goes into something else, like, acting, like dancing. 4 hours goes to dancing, the rest of the thing goes to my acting or on my daily life. But I almost make sure that I'm giving the equal amount of time which I need to give on my studies as well as my dance. So I manage like that, and I'm really grateful to my friends. They send me all the work, they inform me all the things about school, even when I'm
Sweet.
not there.
Sweet.
So I can cope up. At the nick of time, I'm just there. I'm hitting it.
And Anirudh asks, which character of Family Man inspires you the most?
Inspires you the most. I think it has to be, it has to be me and I think Caleb sir. Caleb sir. He is so smart.
Abhi
He knows
exam,
all the things. You have,
वही कभी
you know,
एग्जाम में कुछ ना आए तो चिल्लम को फोन कर लेना.
नहीं, was exam में phone ही नहीं allowed है. So yeah,
अरे
so
आजकल के जनरेशन को क्या अभी.
yeah, but I'm,
You know, do you want to know how I used to copy answers?
you
Yeah,
used to
I've
copy answers.
cheated. It's okay. Everyone has. Yeah, some of the. So if
I
I knew
have
that this question
no
will come 100%, I used to buy a wooden foot ruler. Okay,
wooden what?
wooden ruler, scale.
Oh, अच्छा ठीक है.
Okay, and I would write the answer on the wooden scale, the back of the scale.
So, you know, when the corona was not there in 2019, what happened was my classmate got, was caught red-handed because he was cheating. And the worst thing was happening, he was hiding his paper chits of cheating. I had a feud with him. He's like, you should never cheat. You have to be on there. You have to be honest with yourself. And he was like, छोड़ो ना क्या जाता है. And he hid some chits in his belt. उसने उसको we have a 3-layered bed और उसके अंदर he hid some chits in 1 layer. I was like, ये baggy क्यों लग रहा है? Then he told me everything. I was like, what? What happened? He used to hide chits in the toilet, books in the, in, near the canteen. Many things he used to do with his.
I got it.
And he had a group.
Yeah.
And that was so annoying. I was like, क्या कर रहा है? And
But this is not good.
The best thing about me is that I've never cheated in an online exam. In the past one or 2 years, and I'm so grateful. Because now तो technology is more advanced in 2020 and 2021 because सब लोग तो उसी पे बैठे हैं laptops and their mobiles. They can track something. And and our school is really smart. They are checking if there's some student who's cheating or who's doing some illegal things, who's watching some videos between the class. They'll inform their parents and tell them your child is doing this and that. And yeah, I'm grateful that I've never caught I'm not the student who has got it red-handed or who has cheated. So yeah.
Okay, let's go back to Coldplay now, bro. Come on, sing.
Oh my goodness. Please
Let's
bear
hear you
with my
sing, bro.
singing. Don't leave the live stream, okay? Including you, Devansh sir.
Sharat Kelkar's in the house, people.
Oh, Sharat sir is in the house. Hello, Sharat sir. How are you?
By the way, Atharv doesn't like Sharat too much, no?
But Sharat sir is a great human
Sharat's
being in
character.
person. Really.
Sharat's a
He is-
fantastic human being, yes.
Array,
We haven't met.
like the-
Sharat and I have never met. But hi, Sharat. Hope to do an
He's
Insta
like
live
a
with you soon.
full ball of energy. I think he eats what bananas, 10 bananas, 3 bananas, 30 bananas in his breakfast. He's powerhouse. He's so tall, he's so muscular. And yeah.
Okay, go for it. Come on. Should I give you a 1, 3, or 2, or 1?
No, it's actually fine. That was my speaker, sorry. You can hear it?
Not quite. Yeah,
Now?
yeah.
Is this a karaoke ticket? I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths. Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts. Spider-Man's control, and Batman did his best. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. She said, but you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts. some superhero, some fairy tale verse, something I could turn to somebody I could kiss. I want something just like oh, I want something just like oh, I want something just like this. Yeah, that's it.
Nice,
I'm never
bro.
gonna go. I'm not gonna go.
Nice, buddy. Nice. A virtual applaud for you. Virtual applaud.
Thank
Superb.
you, sir. Thank
Hey,
you.
listen. How was the mood with your parents on the sets? And we've spoken about Manoj. I want to know about Priyamani. How was the
Oh,
mother? How was mom?
Priyamani ma'am
Or
was like
wait. Please address her as Suchi the way you tell her, like the way you pronounce her. You don't call her mom, you call her Suchi.
Suchi. But
I like that.
so yeah, she speaks something funny in Tamil. Poda. Oh, I'll count to 10 if you're not there. So I was like, I love you, Suchi. And that's so funny. And yeah, it's Priyamani ma'am is like a second mom to me. She treats me like my mom. She is so humble. She is very nice to kids. She loves kids actually. She told me one time.
Right.
There was one scene when I and Suchi go to a meeting, like go to a celebration in her office, and I had a scene with DK sir, Sharad sir, if you have seen it, season 2.
Yeah.
And she was playing with the kids there. That we had like 140 number of kids there, including me and including Sharad sir's daughter who played that.
Right.
And yeah, she's so nice with kids. Every kid became her friend, and she was like, Priyamani auntie, Priyamani ma'am. She was this everything was so good, and that was so good. Every one kid hugged her, and she hugged her. She hugged her back. And
So
I
sweet.
saw her, and it was so good.
So sweet, man. No, I
Yeah,
hope, I pray, and these memories stay for lifelong, Vedant.
it will
And
so.
more importantly, uh, Family season 3 is going to be coming out too next year. So
Oh, I don't know about that. We have not started shooting,
no,
so
that's fine. I mean, well,
no
it
idea.
ends like that. So I'm sure something is in the pipeline. Uh,
Yeah, it's there. Season 3
so
is definitely
yeah,
coming.
man. So this is like the Harry Potter kind of thing, man. It's gonna keep on going on and on and on. Like Avengers.
What a
Marvel.
happy.
I think it's a mini Marvel. You all have become
TFM, TFMU, TFMU, the
the
Family Man
universe.
Universe.
Yes, the universe. And I think I hope it stays with all of us for the lifetime. And keep rocking, bro. Keep dancing. Keep singing. Keep doing
Thank
some
you.
amazing characters. And
Thank you.
wish you loads and loads of success. God bless you,
Thank you.
brother. And thank you all for joining and motivating Vedant today. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you,
And I'm
guys.
so grateful, sir. I'm thanking you because, this is my first ever live stream where I can, where I talk to such an experienced, such an knowledgeable person who knows everything, most of everything. It's just like you. And yeah, I love people like Mehak Didi. You have interacted with Sharif sir, Supan sir. I just, it's so good. You're so humble. You're so down to earth, and yeah, that's what many people like, and that was most of the people like. So yeah, love you, sir.
Thanks, man. Thank you. Love you too, bro. Take care and keep in
Thank you,
touch.
sir.
Have a great
Thank
Sunday.
you.
Bye.
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 Bye. Love you, everyone.
Bye,
Bye.
guys. Bye, guys.
Love you. Love
Thanks.
you, everyone. Bye.